So finally the wait is over. Re-NEET 2026 results are out and they are very shocking cutoff there. So before starting the video, let me introduce ourselves. Myself Pathan Farman Khan and Nihal Ranjan. We are currently a final year MBBS student from GMC Vanaparthi, Telangana, and most of the students are constantly DM messaging on my Instagram as well as YouTube comment section. So please make a video for Telangana state expected cutoff category wise. So here is the video because we are just checking, we are just getting the data from different sources what will be the expected cutoff in Telangana, because a new medical college is going to be open this year and a lot of new medical seats are added in previous adopted medical colleges. So in this video Nihal will tell you expected cutoff as well as our counseling program. So Nihal, over to you.
So guys, after getting all the research and doing all the data, and like if you see the current ranking criteria or the ranks, how they have gone up, till 600 there are only 10,000 students, but as we move through the range of 500 to 600 there are around 80,000 to 90,000 students, and as we go down the ranks have subsequently increased. And so here are the counseling or the expected cutoffs that we have made after doing complete analysis. Okay, but before starting we would like to say ourselves that we are in this field of counseling for 4 years. We have done counseling for many students and helped them to get their dream colleges and good colleges. So if you require any help from us, you can reach out to us on Instagram or our newly made website. From there you can get the help of paid counseling from us or premium counseling. Okay, and here are the cutoffs that we have made. There is not much of variation from our earlier prediction, but still these are the new predictions we have made. Okay, so if we talk about the cutoff for the open category, it will be 428 to 431 marks. For the BCA category, it will be 376 to 378 marks. For the BCB category, it will be 419 to 422 marks. For BCC, it will be 374 to 376. Again, BCD, it will be 423 to 425 marks. BCE, it will be 418 to 420 marks. For SCA category, 284 to 286. For SC2, 380 to 382. For SC3, it will be 393 to 395, and ST category it will be 395 to 397 marks. And for minority category it will be 416 to 418 marks, but it can again change depending on the final merit list or state merit list that is going to come soon. Okay, and for further things you can contact Pathan. He will let you know about the other things. And to be specific, these are only the expected cutoff. The real cutoff can vary according to the new merit list and the final state merit list, and also the various things that have various factors that could be taken in counseling. Okay, and also various quota students. And thank you so much, and over to Pathan.
So guys, those students who are really wish to join our mentorship counseling program, because in this counseling program we will provide you all the document required for your counseling, best medical college preference list, because we know the basic ground reality of every medical college across Telangana. We have a lot of friends out there, so they know the basic ground reality. And for also category B and category C counseling program, we also provide counseling for those colleges also, so we can help you in each and every aspect of medical college counseling, because this is your career. One wrong step in your counseling can make a blunder for your whole life. So just be precaution, don't be over smart, and don't do such counseling by your own. I'm not saying just do counseling with us. You can do counseling with someone who is, understand everything, every step of counseling, because counseling rules are very strict. If you will miss any of the step in counseling, you will be out from the counseling. So please just try to understand what I want to say, and I hope this video will help you. And those students who wish to join, you can personally connect on my Instagram handle @medicopathan or my Telegram channel. Link in the description. You can connect and you can join us, and you can ask any of your doubts. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, and all the best.